Good morning, everybody. Let us now see how we can install Power BI on your machine. So take up your Google and type Power BI Desktop. Hit and enter. You can take the first link, which shows you Power BI Desktop Interactive Reports. Click that. You will get such a window where they would ask you for your download or language options. Click on download options. You can select the language which you want. I will select English. You will get a screen where you are asked for which version of the Power BI desktop setup you want. If you are using a 64-bit machine, click the first one. And if you are using a 32-bit machine, go for the second option. I am using a 64-bit machine, so I will be clicking the first option and then click next. Now, the Power BI desktop setup exe file will download. It will take some time. Wait patiently. I have now finished installing my Power BI desktop. This is my PBI desktop setup exe file. I will double click it and let the installation to happen. You will get such a window, the setup wizard. Click next. It will take some time. Let's wait. For all the options which you get, you can go on clicking next. Accept the license agreement. The default path would be C program files. Let it be. Click next. Let's create a desktop shortcut and do the installation. It will take some time. So once the installation is over, they would ask whether Power BI could be launched. Click a finish. So when you open up, this is how you will get the screen, the home screen, with a gray, white, and yellow icon. You can either sign in, create an account, or you could try free. I suggest you better create an account by signing in. I have now signed in because I did create an account earlier. This is the desktop which you will be getting. You call this a Power BI workspace.